Copying an existing route. You can either create your trek route by drawing it directly onto the map, or by copying it from a trek that you or someone else recorded in the field. In this video, we will explain how to import an existing route. If you wish to draw your route on the map, check out that video on our YouTube channel, or in the Genie link on the main trek map page. You may want to use the route of a trek that a visitor has already recorded in your site, or you may want to specially record a trek in order to use it here. If the latter, you should pause the video here, go to the beginning of your trek route, open Wishtrip on your phone and start recording. Then just walk the trail until the end. Don't worry about adding content like photos or text as you walk. We'll take care of that later. Tip: give your trek a unique name. It will make it easier to find later. Go ahead, pause. We'll wait for you right here. All done? Great. Now click Find in Wishtrip and let's find your trek route. A pop-up window will open with a search bar at the top. Enter your trek name, site name, or general area to find the trek you're looking for. If you have a specific trek ID number, you can also enter it here. All treks that meet this criteria will then appear. This includes any treks you recorded, or any treks any of your visitors may have recorded while visiting your site with Wishtrip. Scroll down to find the specific trek you're looking for. Clicking on the plus icon will display the trek route in the map on the right. This button will open the whole trek, including all its content in a new window in order to preview it. When you're confident you have the right trek, click on Import Trek Route, and the trail will be immediately added to the Trek Builder. Note that this action only copies the route itself. None of the trek content will be copied over. Your route will now appear on your map. You can edit it as needed, and also select the appropriate trek type and route type in the settings box. Then, click Next to save it.